Alright guys, coming up to 5 o'clock here in London. Let's have a look at the main move in the market today. So the day started with some comments from the Iraqi Oil Minister. Let me just bring up my oil chart here. So this morning at around 8 o'clock here in London, he said that there are some proposals for more cuts, but he does not think that they will be implemented, but they will be studied. Then 10 minutes after, he said that he doesn't think that there is a need for more output reduction, but is there a need for more cuts in the future? Iraq will support the consensus from OPEC. And then a few hours later, he said that there are informal discussions going on within OPEC and non-OPEC members for production cuts, including talks for 3 to 9 months extension. So if we have a look at the oil this morning, trading around the pivot level at 7 o'clock at 50.30 for the day, and then following this Iraqi Oil Minister comments, price of oil managed to break the high of the overnight session at around the 50.50 level, and then trading all the way up to 50.81, which is just a few ticks below the high of yesterday and also the R1 level of the day. And then for the rest of the day, starting from 12 o'clock, started to recover this up move, and we down 20 cents for the session. So the up move that we've seen this morning has been recovered for the rest of the session. So that was the main drivers out of the price of the oil market today. And then this morning you also had ZEW economic sentiment. So for Germany, let me just have a look at the reaction in the euro. So the expectation was 12.5 and we printed 17. So a bit here on expectation, and this here is the reaction at 10 o'clock that we've seen. So pretty short-lived reaction. Impact in the market really limited. And then at 12 o'clock you had some ECB sources again saying that the policymakers said to disagree on whether to set firm and end date for bond buying. So let me just show you the reaction here that happened. So drop in the price of the euro, because basically they're telling us that they don't know when they're going to stop the QE. So then we're trading at around the 120.46 level, managed to break below the R1 level of the day and stopped a few ticks away from the pivot, 120.03 for the day. But again, really short-lived reaction. You have a second wave 1 minute after, and then it kind of stopped. And then now the euro is trading at around the R1 level of the day, 120.35. For the rest of the session, you have this afternoon Trump speaking in front of the UN, so the United Nations. And he made some comments related to the North Korea situation when he said that the US are ready and willing to and be able to take military action on North Korea if needed. So a bit more of information regarding what the Trump administration thinks about the North Korean situation, but not really impactful in terms of the markets and the asset classes. So yeah, pretty quiet day. That's the main headlines. Everybody is more waiting for the Fed tomorrow. All the big players in the market waiting for Janet Yellen tomorrow to place orders and get involved. So pretty quiet day. Just to conclude this wrap, let me have a look at the calendar for tomorrow. So as I said, tomorrow evening, 7 o'clock, you have the interest rate decision from the Fed, and then Janet Yellen press conference at 7:30. But then before that, tomorrow morning, 9:30, you have the UK retail sales for the month of August. So this one really good to monitor, because as you know, UK economy relies a lot on the services, so retail sales is a tier 1 data. And then for the rest of the day, well, you have the DOE weekly crude oil inventories coming at 3:30 London time. And then, as I said, 7 o'clock tomorrow night, Fed interest rate decision, followed by the press conference 7:30 from Janet Yellen. Okay guys, that's it for today. Hope you had a good day. Enjoy your evening, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.